What's up everyone, River Caraba here, the analytics guy. Have a special video for you today. It's going to be different than the other ones. In the past we make videos about information and cool stuff. Today's video is going to be all about the psyche of a creator, your psyche, and how important that is and what goes into some of the thinking when you create videos. And, you know, today, I don't even know how to say this. Today's video is an actual glimpse into my psyche, what goes into my thinking when I make videos, and why do I choose to do what I do? Why do I choose to think and talk about certain things? And the bottom line thing that I want to get out and just right out in the open, this is kind of a rambling video, I'm sorry. It is so easy to let other people help determine your content. Now, you do want to listen to your audience. You do want to take suggestions, and if you're given constructive criticism, how can you incorporate that into your videos? That is an essential part of refining the craft, refining what you do. But there are times where all of us compare ourselves to someone else. All of us compare our value, our content, and because there might be just more talented people at this given time right now producing content out there that you feel like you can't compete with. And you know what? I'm not going to be the person that blows smoke up your bum and says, no, your stuff is great and perfect. No, you might not be at the point that you want it to be yet. And that is not okay. You know, I want to tell you and to be like, oh, it's okay. We all started from the bottom and blah, blah, blah. And you know what? Yeah, that is true. We all had to learn, and I'm still learning every single day. You're still learning. The largest creators on the platform are still learning. But in this day and age, consumers, viewers are consuming those content at the same time, your content along with that other person that you wish you had the status of. And you know what? It's okay. It's okay to feel that way. It's okay to feel that pressure, because that means that you care. That means that you want it to be something. But what I will say is you can't let that discourage you, okay? I can't tell you how many times I look at something and I just want... There are days where I have like a day where I'm down, okay? Maybe there's some stuff going on at work or whatever it is, and I just go, man, how am I going to make this better to what I want it to be? But because I feel that way means it's going to improve, okay? So with your stuff, it's all right to get down. But here's the insight, okay? I have been a creator on this platform for years now, and I have successfully done the thing that most people don't do but said they wanted to, and that was be a daily creator on YouTube, upload daily content. I uploaded daily vlogs, and the one biggest, most huge insight I can give you from that is that you don't have to produce a video every single day. It gets boring. It is creatively neutering to produce a video every single day, at least from my perspective. My life, because I'm not a full-time creator, is pretty boring from certain hour blocks of the day because I go to work and then I come out, right? So don't feel like you have to produce a video. And what I'm getting at is produce a video that you're proud of. If that means you're producing a video every single day, that's fantastic. If that means you're producing a couple times a week, once a month, once a quarter, once a year, if you are proud of that piece of content and you put that on your channel, that is going to reflect exactly the tone that you want. This piece of content is something that I'm willing to put out in the world, I'm proud of, and other people are going to enjoy as well. And that will reflect the hype of your videos will get huge because that's what you're trying to do as you grow your channel. You're trying to make people anticipate and love your content. And so I am in this video right now giving you permission to not feel the pressure to produce videos all the time. On both this channel and my other channel, lately I've been backing off a ton because of that. And I just wanted to give you permission. I wanted to give you that license to say, you know what, I can slow down. I'm not letting anyone down. I guarantee, I am willing to bet The vast majority of your committed audience here on YouTube would absolutely love to see more of your content. However, if they knew it was at your expense mentally, emotionally, things like that, they would rather have you put out a piece of content at the rate in which you are comfortable and are safe with, okay? Because it gets really easy to fall into this world of pressure and stress, and soon enough you're having anxiety attacks, or if that, something that you struggle with, just to produce what? Produce a piece of content that you're not proud of. No. Every piece of content you produce, you should be proud of. And I have something that I tell my people that I work with and manage, and that is that if you produce a piece of work, a project, a video, whatever it is, and it was printed on the front page of the newspaper, and someone held that up and said, "Whose is this? Who is going to take credit for this?" Would you raise your hand and go, "Yeah, that's mine. I'm proud of that"? Or would you be the person that kind of like slumps down in your chair, maybe tries to slip to the back of the room because you don't want to raise your hand because it's not something you're proud of? Think about that. Today, I'm giving you that license. I'm giving you the opportunity. Each of you have your own stories that are very unique and are ready to be told. Just be told in the way that you best see fit. So today was kind of a rambling video. Hopefully you watched to the end. Let me know if you like these style videos where I just pick a topic and ramble. But I really do care about you guys. Thank you so much. We are small but mighty here on this channel, growing. I just can't wait to produce more videos for you. I just got done working out, which is why I'm in like my sweatshirt and stuff. And I was just thinking about this. When I do all of my thinking when I'm actually busy doing something else like working out, doing whatever. So thank you very much, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we will see you in the next video.